South Goa District Hospital is set for a major healthcare upgrade with its much awaited MRI facility expected to be operational by July. During the review of the hospital, Health Minister Vishwajit Rane said the MRI unit will enhance diagnostic services and reduce the need for patients to travel outside South Goa for advanced scans. The minister also reviewed patient care services and interacted with OPD and IPD patients to assess service delivery. The ICU continues to perform strongly, handling around 60 to 70 admissions every month, with nearly 80% of patients recovering and being shifted to wards. The hospital's 20-bed dialysis unit also continues to support patients requiring long-term renal care. Departments including the SNCU, Addiction Treatment Center and Laboratory were reviewed, with a focus on early diseases detection and expanded care screening services. Rane reiterated the government's commitment to building a future-ready healthcare system driven by preventive care, advanced diagnostics and quality treatment for all.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.